this is a problem that I want to show you with the calculator that I actually have already sent to you and shown you how to work it by hand. And what you have here is 5 questions. Each question has 4 possible answers. Of course, only one of them is correct. First, we're going to look at exactly getting 3 of them correct if I guess. What's the probability of getting at least 3 correct if I guess? That would be 3, 4, 5. And then what's the probability of getting less than 3, which would be 0, 1, and 2. So first of all, I got to know the percentage of getting it right, and one answer is correct in 4 answers, so my percentage is 0.25. So I'm going to use the regular binomial distribution to get x equal to 3, but when I start doing one where it's greater than or it's less than, I'm going to need to do the cumulative binomial. And so what I'll do here is I'm actually going to do the cumulative binomial using the ones that are not correct, like 2 or under, because I need an upper limit. So 2 is going to be my upper limit, and then I'll take the answer I get and I'll subtract it from 1, because every probability distribution, to be a probability distribution, it has to add up to 1. So I can say 1 minus whatever that answer is, and that's going to give me the answer to greater than or equal to 3. And this answer will actually be the same one that I got there, because I've already done whatever's less than or equal to 3. And I think that one is just going to be less than 3. Less than 3 answers correctly. So I don't want the equal to here. So let me change that. I don't know. I must just typed it in wrong. And so this would also be less than. Alright, so that took care of that. So that'll be a little more clear for you. Alright, so we're going to the calculator now. And in the calculator, we're going to actually go to second distribution and go down to binomial, PDF, and we're going to type in exactly what I just told you. 5 questions, comma, the percentage is 0.25 because there's 1 answer correct out of 4, and then I'm going to type in 3 because it's going to be equal to 3. So there's the probability of getting exactly 3. Now I'm going to do the probability of a cumulative probability, because I have more than one number here. And I'm going down to the cumulative, binomial cumulative, and I'm going to type in 5 again, comma, 0.25, comma, and 2, because that's the first number below 3, and I get 0.896, and I'm going to say 1 minus 0.896, and this is actually the answer for getting 3 or more right, so there's not a strong probability of doing that. And then I'm just going to do this again so that you'll see that it's the same thing. So if I want to get less than 3, so my upper boundary is 2, I would type in the same thing. There are 5 questions, and of course I wouldn't need to type this in again. I'm just doing it to show you that that's what I would be doing if I'm trying to get less than 3. And there's, whoops, I've got an error. Now this is something good for you to see, because I'm going to go to the error and see what's wrong. And what's wrong is I don't have a point in front of the 25. So I'm going to second insert it and hit enter. And there it's right. It's 0.896. So anytime you make an error, it'll give you the option to quit or either go to the error, and it'll take you exactly to the error. So that was a good thing for you to see with this calculator. And if you ever don't know how to do something and you need to reset it, here's how you can reset it. You can press second memory, which is the plus sign. Number 7 resets it. Number 1 does all RAM, and number 2 would reset it. So if there's something you can't get off of it, just reset it, and that's all you have to do.